In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Twitter login devices. This is really useful if you want to make sure no one else is signed into your account, or if you've logged in on a shared or public computer and want to double check what's still active. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your X or Twitter home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. You should see your usual home feed with posts, trends, and the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. On that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled More. It's usually towards the bottom, under items like Notifications and Messages. Go ahead and click More. This will open a small menu with extra options related to your account and settings. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you manage everything related to your account, from your profile information to your security and safety settings. When you click it, a new settings page will open with several sections listed in a sidebar. In the sidebar, look for the section called Security and Account Access. This is the area that controls who can get into your account and how they do it. Click on Security and Account Access, and the right side of the page will update with more detailed options. Next, within this section, find and click on Apps and Sessions. This page shows you which third-party apps have access to your account, as well as all the recent sessions and devices that have logged in. We're interested in the sessions part for this video. Now, click on Sessions. Here you'll see a list of devices and locations where your account is currently or was recently logged in. Take a moment to look through this list. It usually shows the type of device, the approximate location, and the date and time of access. If you spot anything that looks unfamiliar, consider logging out of those sessions and changing your password right away. And that's it. By following these steps, you can regularly review your Twitter login devices and keep better control over your account's security.